Hello everyone, this is ZeroT1 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find, add, manage and maybe create OpenGX mods. And honestly, the first thing you want to do is go to the sidebar and then click on these three dots. It's called the sidebar setup, and make sure you have this enabled, which say mods. Make sure it's enabled here, and that's pretty much it. That's the first step. For example, you want to add some mods. Here it gives you some suggestions. You can just click on install and it's gonna go ahead and do it for you. And as you can see, it's already making changes to the browser. Okay, so this is how to add, but how to find more than these suggestions is you have to click the store here. It's gonna take you to the GX store. In GX store you can browse all the available mods which come together, and honestly this is the most interesting set of mods here. It's called expanded mods, which change a lot of things compared to the other mods as far as I know. Now, if you want to manage your mods, you go here to manage mods, and you can see which mods you have, and then you can enable them. And it's gonna show you what modification need to be made. You just click on them one by one like this, and as you can see, it's making changes to the browser already. And finally, if you think no mod's worth it for you, or you wanna make your own mod, you can actually post it in the GX store. It's gonna show up there. However, I have no idea how to make it. Well, at least it gives you some basic steps here, it say. So you may have to do your own research when it comes to this one. And if you care about internet browsers and OpenGX generally, I've made a list in my channel. Go check it out.